Horse tied to post by a rope. If the horse moves along a circular path, always keeping the rope tight,
Hmm.
describes 88 meter when it traces an angle of 72 degrees. Find the length of the rope. Now, see, two basic things that we need to understand. Theta is equal to L by R. Theta is in radians. And the other thing that we need
Radians.
to understand in question like these is which is L and which is R. One thing have you understood?
Hmm.
So that is the only small challenge that you will face. So again, the theta L by R is not applicable for degrees. So 72 degrees,
2 pi
1
by 5.
shabash, shabash. Pi radians, 72 degrees would be equal to pi upon 180 into 72, which would be equal to 70 ka 2 by 5 pi radians. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So 2 pi by 5 is equal to 88 upon r.
Upon R.
Therefore, r is equal to 88
88
pi.
into 5 upon 2 pi.
So what is the answer that you got?
70.
Okay. Because
70
pi,
meters.
yeah, because pi is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by
Hmm.
7.
Yeah.
So 22 to the 44 to the is equal to 70. The units are in meter, therefore this would be equal to 70.
70 meters.
So 70 meter is the correct answer. Any doubt this one?
No.
Okay, great.